What is up, guys? This is, of course, Oprelia here, and today we're going to be talking about viral Seedance 2.5 prompt ideas that some people are already using to make millions amounts of views on their videos. Now, this video is sponsored by JXP.com, which has already Seedance 2.5 available on their platform ahead of the competition. Now, you can find the link to this site at the description down below and also in the pinned comment. There seems to also be some type of a free trial available on their platform as of right now. All the prompts that I will be sharing here today are also going to be available at my Telegram channel, where I'm posting daily AI news for video and image generators, and also I'm going to be posting prompts for Seedance 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, and Minimax 3 as well. So if you want to find a lot of prompt ideas, well, that is a great place to find templates, and it's all free, no paywall. So let's jump into some of the ideas that I have already conjured. So one of them is this GTA style. We already see when Seedance 2.0 came out, people were doing fake footage of GTA 6, and they were also doing like GTA India. I did a couple of clips of those, and they actually did fairly well compared to some of my other short performances. And here's my version of North Korea, Pyeongchang. This was kind of like near perfect prompt. Obviously, there's a lot of distortion going on, and that is just part of Seedance 2.5. There's nothing that you can really do about it except like prompt again or try to have more of a close-up shots. And obviously here, when he goes back into the fighting scene, the camera kind of changes from that first-person camera, which is not looking like gameplay footage anymore. And then there's this weird jump at the end of the prompt. But outside from those things, it is actually looking like somewhat like good gameplay. Obviously, Seedance 2.0 has a bit more consistency on these things, but you can probably, with good image references, to have like a good of a ending for this shot as well. And of course, having the ability to do 30 seconds, it just allows you to do so much more in terms of gameplay versus the older model, which could only do 15 seconds. And you can do your own setting. You can do GTA Tokyo, you can do GTA Bangkok, there's big GTA Zimbabwe, whatever. There's a lot of crazy ideas, and they can definitely go viral. And I really recommend also people to use image reference for this. This is important. This is using image reference. GPT image or CDream 5.0 can create a GTA style images. Here's another very viral prompt of this time traveling vlogger thing. I love this one.
Okay, I've been here 5 minutes, and apparently I'm already invited to a private ceremony. They gave me flowers, jewelry, and a personal escort. I think I'm important. Okay, that is definitely fresh. Just checking. Is this ceremony happening for me?
It is happening to you.
Nope! 5 stars for the architecture, 0 stars for hospitality! Okay, I've been here 5 minutes.
Yeah, so there's been this sort of like a viral, I think her name is Chloe or something like that, this AI girl, which is like transforming into like the 1500s. She's just doing a vlog at these old ages, and she's kind of like boozled by what is actually going on. This is very much actually the same format that has going on. A bit different style of a thing, of my approach on it. But this is definitely a viral concept, which can be replicated into a lot of different locations. Okay, a lot of different ideas. There's a lot of comedy, dark comedy that you can do with it. You can go darker, you can go a bit more lightweight on it. There's sort of many ways to go with this actual prompt. So that's a very nice one that definitely can go viral. Obviously, there's already one person that's already doing that format. Next up, we have a time stop one. This is also a very good one. I do want to mention that this is a prompt that sometimes does get wrong. I have done 2.0 versions out of this as well, but I feel like 2.5 can do a bit better job at it. Actually, there shouldn't be a knock-up effect. Some things just should kind of like fall down. So that's just kind of what I talked about. This is like a high difficulty prompt. It doesn't always execute the way you want it to. The physics of it sometimes just fall apart. A lot of the things did fall correctly, but the woman kind of gets pushed back, which is totally random. That shouldn't happen. So aside from that, that is actually a pretty cool prompt. A lot of good ideas. You can do many different time stops at very different locations and many different ways. Next up, we have an actual K-pop music video prompt. Now, note that all of these videos that I've shown you here today, except the GTA one, are done in 480p. That's my general tip to you guys to save on the cost. Seedance 2.5 is expensive, and that has to be accounted in, as it can be very expensive to create like a short series. For example, for you to recoup the costs, you actually have to go viral with almost every single video. So obviously do 480p, and then you use different types of upscalers. And 480p is actually pretty good quality, pretty good movement. It's just that when they're kind of like on the distance, as you can see, the faces are kind of distorted.
Hey, giving red. Yeah. Oh, it didn't sit. Wakening, wins did. Wait a job, just to let. 난 씹을까 담든 새. 넌 지치만 내 code. Break a leg. Bet you my body, she like it.
So yeah, this generation didn't actually have any type of custom music on it. This was something that was fully prompted by Seedance 2.5. You can obviously insert your own music in and create your own music videos now. You can do an anime opening. You can do a TV opening for a TV show. A lot of good ideas for long-term generations for like musical or dance bits right now, which can go basically viral. You can do a fake K-pop band or something like that, or put your favorite characters singing a viral K-pop song. Many different ways to go with this. Obviously, these have been done quite a lot, and you have to find an exact format to kind of go viral with them, but it's very capable as of right now. Next up, we have a viral depending style of thing. Funnily enough, this looks like, I don't remember the actor's name, the British actor, like Redmayne or something like that. And it's like crying you for not using copyrighted characters, but then it prompts you stuff like this. So yeah, this prompt can basically be used to take items from a TV and bring them into the real world. Many different ways to do that. It's pretty nice eye candy in my opinion. And there's many ways to do it, as for a scene or for a viral clip. Many different ideas that you can go for. Maybe not for everybody, but I thought I would be still adding it here in my list of ideas. Then lastly, we have an historical thing. Since I was prompting a lot of these prompts on Chinese to not to meet the character limits, this is actually narrated in Chinese, which was not my intention. This will sound a lot more better in your head if you didn't believe that it's actually done on English. And obviously, with voice audio references, you can put David Attenborough basically narrating it or whatever. And historical shorts and videos are actually doing really well on YouTube. A lot of people like to watch them because they have high retention rates. And there's many different niches in the historical things, which are maybe specifically into a certain area or a certain region or certain country, can do actually fairly well. And here's a prompt that you can basically use to do kind of like analysis on some of these battles.
在卡莱，罗马的重步兵进入了非常适合帕提亚骑兵作战的地形，骑射声避免正面交锋，他们包围罗马军团，从其射程之外发起攻击。持续的补给使得箭雨没有停止，而罗马的阵型则逐渐瓦解，追击阵型则逐渐瓦解。佯装撤退使罗马军队分散开来，骑兵得以孤立边被卡莱战役证明，机动性和距离优势甚至可以击败罗马训练有素的军队。在卡莱，罗马的重。
So that was actually pretty cool. It actually even used some type of map over here. Those were prompted in. There was a second one that was played at the end, but it kind of like ran out of time. Maybe this prompt could be basically a bit more longer to add that type of thing. But you can do these slow-mo analysis types of things. Nobody's really doing that right now, as far as I'm concerned. So that is also a niche that you can do, this sort of very ultra-depth analytical of the battles. And you can use these graphics to create these like maps and infographics and things like that during the battle. And this is 480p, and this is actually pretty good quality in my opinion. And this can definitely be upscaled and looks very, very good. But that basically wraps up some of my viral ideas. If you have viral ideas yourself, you can share it on your comment section below if you want to, that is. Or maybe you keep it yourself. But as always, check out my other Seedance 2.0 tutorials that I have done on the channel. I will be doing more of those, and I probably will be doing more tutorials also for 2.5. Make sure to check out my Telegram, and also check out the jxp.com in the description down below. Thanks for watching. I will be seeing you in the next video.